Want to fix Counter-Strike 2 black screen problem? This video will show you the simple tricks to get back into the action. Let's dive in. First things first, a black screen on CS2 launch often points to graphics driver issues, display mode conflicts, or corrupted game files. Now, the most crucial step is to update your graphics drivers to the absolute latest game-ready version from NVIDIA or AMD. Outdated GPU drivers are a prime culprit for black screens. Perform a clean installation using DDU if necessary. Next, try running Counter-Strike 2 in a different display mode. If the game usually defaults to full screen, try forcing it into windowed mode or borderless full screen. You can often do this via launch options in Steam, e.g. -windowed or -borderless. You'll also want to verify the integrity of your game files through Steam. Right-click Counter-Strike 2 in your library, go to Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will repair any corrupted game files. Ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. Sometimes missing OS updates can cause compatibility issues. Finally, disable any overlays, Discord, GeForce Experience, Steam overlay, as they can sometimes conflict with game startup. Try deleting the game's configuration files, often in Steam User Data 730 local NCFG, to force a fresh setup. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more CS2 tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.